Okay, children, we are discussing energy from the sun ray. Energy from the sun. Introduction we have completed that. Different places, different type of temperature there. Okay, different places. What is that? Like energy from the sun ray. Different places, different type of temperature there. Equatorial region, tropical region, Arctic Circle region, and like 90 degrees of the like North Pole. Okay, there is a variation in the temperature there. Place to place, there is changes in the like temperature. And another one way, by the effect of the like wind. The effect of the wind, there is changes in the climate there. And next one, another reason that by the like rain also, by the rain day, there is changes in temperature. There is changes in temperature. Previous classes with like we are discussed today. Today we are discussing the like solar energy and sun rays. Solar energy and solar energy and sun rays. Sun rays. Now we are discussing like this one day. Solar energy, sun rays. Solar energy, sun rays. So the sun is the principal sources energy on the earth surface. Noted the sun is the principal sources. Sources of energy on the surface of earth surface. Okay, what is that? Principal sources of energy on the what is earth surface? Surface. What is the sun? What is the sun? Is the principal sources of the like energy. Today, what is we can get like energy from the like sun ray. So what we are getting like from the like sun ray? Light and heat. Light one is like energy. Heat one is also like what is energy. Where we have to receive the like these two energy from the like sun ray. Okay, so it is the powerhouse. What is it? The sun. It is the powerhouse. It is the powerhouse which generate power. Generate like generate and gives our energy on the energy from that like what is it? In the form of light and heat. Okay, what is it? Like a sun. What is the sun like? Sun is like a yes, powerhouse. Powerhouse side. Okay, the sun like a generate that like a what is it? Generate that like a light. Generate that like a heat. The sun also to give that like a what is it? Energy through light. The sun is to give that like energy through that like a yes. Okay, today we receive that like a light ray. Today we receive that like a heat ray. How do we get that like a these two? What is that? Yes, energy is right. Where we are that like a to get it like a these two energy from the sun ray. From the yes sun. So that's why here the what is the principal sources of the like a what is it? Light and heat. Sun is that like a principal sources. From the sun we get that like a light and heat. Without light, without heat, we are survived that like a life on the surface of the planet. For example, only heat. Only heat. After like a only yes light. Only light. There is another like a growth. Okay, so we receive that like a light. We receive that like a yes heat from sun. Different places, different type of the like a yes temperature. Different places, different type of the like a yes temperature. So this energy constantly emitted by the like a sun ray. This energy emitted by constantly emitted by sun. Emitted means like what is it? Produced it. Okay, what is it? Constant is it? Every day we get it like a light. Every day we get it like a what is it? Heat. At night that like a worldwide. We go to that like America. We go to that like a Singapore. We go to that like a Australia. We go to that like a what is it? Yes, Alaska. We receive that like a light and heat from the sun ray. Constantly. Okay, this energy, what is it? That like the sun energy constantly emitted. Every day that is like a produce the sun to produce light and heat. The sun produces like a what is it? Light and heat. So okay, that's why here the sun is known as like a solar what is it? Radiation. Solar radiation. What is it? Like the energy constantly emitted by sun. What is it? The energy constantly emitted by the sun is known as solar radiation. Solar radiation. Where we get it like a solar radiation? From the sun ray. Okay, who are the like a producer like the solar radiation? Sun is like a main. Okay, so the sun emitted that like a light and heat. Okay, constantly. What is it? Constantly. So that is known as the like a solar radiation. Every day we receive light. Okay, every day we receive the like a yes K. But where is it? Yes, Sunday. That is called like radiation. And what is a radiation? What is a radiation? When a body gives us that like energy. When his body gives off energy is called radiation. Okay, so here, so this body, what is it? Yes, the sun. So where we are trying it like a sun, yes, in our solar system, there is a number of that like a suns as well. Planet, sun, star. Okay, so number of it, we find it that like in solar system. So here, sun is the like to give the clarity, what is that? Yes, energy. That's why that is called the clarity. What is that? Solar radiation. Constantly that is to give the clarity. Yes, people there. Okay, that is to give the clarity constant that like a surface of air there. Okay, so solar radiation, and next one, radiation means that like a body give out of the like a yes, energy is called that like a radiation. So the energy produced by the like a sun comes to Earth in the form of the like a sun ray. So how to come the like a the solar radiation to the like a surface of the air? This solar radiation comes to Earth surface by the sun rays, Okay, so with the help of the like a sun rays, we receive the like what is the solar radiation. Solar, yes, radiation. During the like noon time, sometime at like 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock also, when we see that like the western portion, when the like the sunset time, we see that like the sun rays also like slanted, the slow. Okay, so there is a means what is the decrease the like temperature. How is that like temperature that like exactly that like the sun over our head, over our yes head. There is a temperature that like increases. Okay, how is the morning? It is a cool climate. Afternoon, early morning. How is the like evening? Yes, reduce the like temperature because of the solar ray fall on the like surface of the earth like slope type. That's why decrease the like temperature. Decrease the temperature means the earth away of the like what is that? Yes, sun away of the like sun. That's why to receive the like lower temperature. So however, the some aspects of this energy we can see and feel that like a light and heat. However, we also receive many other forms of the like energy, like UV rays, radio waves, X-rays from the sun, which we can neither feel or that like see that. Okay, not only to receive the like what is the solar radiation with the help of the like sun rays, like we receive the like another one also. Okay, so here the energy produced by the sun comes to us in the form of the like sun rays. Some aspects what is right? Some aspects the energy we cannot what is right? Maybe yes we can see sometime, we can feel sometime. When we receive that like means when that like the highest temperature also touch to our that like our body there, our skin yes we feel what is that? Yes today temperature are very high there. Like that we have that like to feel there. Okay, so nowadays that like the climate is that like cold there because of the cold breeze also that like coming there. So we feel there cool climate, cool is climate there. So however we also receive that like many other forms of that like energy there. However we also receive many other forms many other yes forms of energy UV rays. From the UV rays we receive that like energy light, and next one that like radio waves and X-ray and what is that? X-rays we receive what is that? Not only the light and heat we receive from the sun UV rays also radio waves also what is that? So here however we also receive that like many other forms of that like energy. The UV rays, radio waves, X-ray from the sun which we can feel on that like see that. How we have that like we receive that like energy from that like sun through that like heat and light. Okay, so another one also that like we are received from that like sun. Okay, from the sun we receive that like energy through that like UV rays. And like we receive that like energy that like radio waves. And next one that like yes what is that? X-ray. Okay, energy from that like sun. So this is also that like we can feel it. We can what is that? Say that how we will tell that like say that like heart or like we feel same. Yes, this is also there. We can feel the energy of UV rays. We can feel the waves of radio waves. We can feel the energy of the X-rays. What is that? X-ray. So UV rays, it is not that like a daily rays saying. Next one like what is that? X-rays. You know that like especially like in hospitals we see that like the doctors also prescribe that like a totally body also to check up for the purpose of that like a prescription that like a total body to collect that like a X-rays also there. So the solar the energy radiated by that like a sun is more. Sometimes that like what is a less constant with very little variation throughout the like year and year after year. So this what causes that like a changes in temperature in that like a surface of earth. How is it? So the from the sun, from the sun every years and okay, so every year is year by year sometimes year and year by year after year then every year receive like a same amount of like a okay, no some variations in temperature. Okay, changes in like the temperature in that like every year. For example, this year that like the highest temperature we see that like surface of that like earth of that like in our area like 45 degrees. Maybe next year it is that like what is that 42 degrees Celsius like very soon. Okay, so this year only that like receive that like light and heat, but same amount of that like light and heat next year we are not receiving because of there is changes in that like temperature. Sometimes that like a hot day, sometimes that like what is that? Yes, less hot day. Okay, so in this lesson we are discussing that like what is it? Where there is a place of that like Azizia in Libya, Africa in 1922. In 1922 that like 57.8 degrees Celsius temperature recorded. 1922 there. But even today, this is that like 2020 there. We have not recorded that like the type of the temperature, the earth surface. Now that like the surface of the earth below that like 57.8 degrees Celsius we are recorded there. In case that like we receive that like more than that like 57.8 degrees Celsius side, okay, where there is a recorded that is also like printed in that notebook also there. But till today, till this year we receive that like temperature yes surface what is it below 57.8 degrees Celsius temperature. The surface of earth. The surface of earth means what we are understanding here variation in the some variation in temperature year by year after year or that like month after month after yes Monday changes. What is it? Yes changes and also here the solar radiation received on the like surface of the earth is called insolation. Notice that what is the insolation? What is the insolation? The solar radiation radiation received on the surface of earth surface of the earth is called insolation. Compulsory in examination level they are asking that what is the insolation then? What is that? what is that? Insolation. The solar radiation received on the surface of the earth. What is that? What is that? The solar radiation. How we have that like we receive that like solar radiation. So through that like sun rays. How do we get that like solar radiation? Surface of the earth from the sun ray, from the sun. That is called that like solar radiation. And insolation. The solar radiation received on that like surface of the earth is called that like insolation. Mean what is that? Solar radiation received the earth's surface by the earth surface side. That is called that like insolation. The actual amount of that like solar energy received on that like ground level is only small portion. How much received that like the earth? How much solar radiation to receive that like the surface of the earth? The small portion. The earth to receive small amount of solar radiation. Okay, so for example, that like a 4 portion of that like a solar radiation coming from that like a solar sun ray. Only 1 portion of that like solar radiation received that like surface of the earth. Remaining that like the 3 portion. What about that like remaining 3 portion of that like solar radiation? So when it is reaches that like earth surface, this is because about that like 1/3 of that like solar energy is reflected back into what is that? Back into that like Earth's atmosphere. What is that? So maybe what is that? The solar this because about that 1/3 of solar energy, 1/3 of solar energy reflected back into atmosphere means only the small portion to receive the energy, the surface of the earth, the earth to receive the small amount of the solar radiation from the sunlight. Okay, so the solar radiation, all the amount of the come to the surface of the earth, but only the earth to receive the small portion of the energy. The 1/3 of the solar energy back into the or mixed into the reflected into the where is it? Yes, atmosphere. What is that? Atmosphere. So when the what is that? This solar radiation. Okay, so when we what is that 1/3 of the solar energy is reflected back, means like that like a mirror reflected that like a line there by the earth surface, further some portion of that like energy is scattered and absorbed that like the higher reaches of that like atmosphere surface of the earth. Okay, so there is a solar energy come to the like a surface of the what is with the help of the like a sun rays UV rays also come to the like a surface of the earth. The radio waves also and expanded like X-rays also. So surface of the earth we receive small amount there. What about the like UV rays the UV ray to reach the like S surface when the like UV rays raise the like surface of the earth. So they are like very harmful to the like humans. So life is not possible when the UV rays reaches the like Earth surface. Those are the very dangerous, very dangerous. When we receive the like that one day, what is it? We got the like so many skin diseases. So many skin diseases. Really, what is it? Those are also protected by the like the ozone layer. Okay, ozone layer is protected. What is it? From the like UV rays. Ozone layer protected like humans from the UV ray. But today that like the pollution right? What is it? The ozone layer. It becomes what is it? Some of the like holes. Some of the holes. Why there is a? We find it like a holes. Yes, increase the like a global warming. Increase the global warming. At the same time, what is it? Increase the temperatures. There is a formation of the sources to the like a made that the ozone layer have the like a holes. So with the help of the like that holes, the UV rays also like come to the like surface of earth. Okay, so there are some of the like person we find that like some diseases, skin diseases. What is the effect? The effect of the like UV ray. In lot of UV rays, energy is some to the what is it? Falling on the like a surface of the earth. It's very dangerous. Very dangerous. We are all what is it? Yes, saved. How we are the like a saved? So here by the ozone layer, further some portion of the like energy is scattered and absorbed the like higher reaches the like atmosphere. In fact, some of the like harmful rays of the sun like UV rays do not reach the like ground. This has the like made life is possible on surface of earth. What is like? The harmful UV rays do not reside. The harmful UV rays do not reach the earth surface. The earth surface. That's why life is possible. That's why life is possible. Surface of the earth. Surface of the what is it? Yes, the surface of the earth. So, like that is also one of the like we got that like a benefit. Like we now that like the life is going on that like well, but we got that was it? We are not yet that like what is it? We are not yet that like what is it? Yes, the effect of the like the not the like ray that like a surface of the earth. So those are the like stopped by the like ozone layer. So ozone layer is the like a protected the like humans on surface of the earth. So here some amount of the solar energy are also that like absorbed or reflected away by the clouds and smoke or dust in that like atmosphere. What is that? Some amount of solar energy. Solar is energy. Also observed by clouds and smoke. Clouds, smoke and dust. What is that? Yes, that's right. Some of the like solar energy. Okay, from that like the sun rays. Okay, the clouds also that like some amount of that like solar energy absorbed by the cloud side. Some amount of that like solar energy. What is that? Absorbed that like smoke guide. Some amount of that like solar energy to the like side. What is that? Absorbed by the like dust. So only small amount of that like portion we are that like what is that? Yes, received that. What is that? Yes, received. Understand it? So like this one way. So we have that like no day that a cloudy day. Do not that like what is that? Very hard day. When we have something that like we see that like black clouds side. Black, yes, clouds side that like atmosphere or that like in the sky also. What is that? How do we feel it? How do we feel it? So we feel what is that? Very well there. We are not receiving that like very hot there. The hot also that like what is that? That like the solar energy absorbed by that like clouds. What is it? Clouds. So between that like surface of the earth that like solar energy or solar energy there. What there is yes, clouds. That's why we are not feeling that like very yes hard. We feel very happy day because there is no hard day. There is no hard. There is yes less day. Okay, so feel comfortable. Feel right? Yes, comfortable day. Understand that? And next one tomorrow we have discussed that like next topic the sun rays and that like earth surface. The sun rays and earth surface.